In this lesson, we'll cover the use of components. Drag a rectangle, an image widget, a title, a paragraph, and a label to create a social media list. Select them, right-click, and choose Create Component. Once created, you'll see a red masked component instance. Double-click the component to rename it. Click the Add Folder icon to add a folder. You can drag components under the folder. Click the Add Component icon to add a blank component. Right-click to delete a component. Drag a component to the canvas to place it. Right-click a folder and select Rename to edit the folder's name. Right-click a folder and select Duplicate Branch to duplicate the folder and its components. Double-click the component to enter edit mode. Add a shape, change it to a heart. Then add a star. Click the tab above the canvas to go back to page 1. You'll see that all component instances have added a heart and star, allowing quick edits to all instances. Right-click a component, choose Drop Behavior, then Break Away to separate the component from its instance. Drag the component back to the canvas and delete the star. This only affects that specific instance. Double-click any red masked component instance to edit it. Delete the star and all red masked instances will no longer display the star. Right-click a component and choose Lock Component Location to lock its position. We'll delete it. Select a red masked instance, and in the Interactions pane, you'll see Override Settings at the bottom. Click Choose Image to import an image. You can also override other content, applying overrides to other instances. To detach an instance from the component, right-click an instance and choose Break Away. Axure 11 introduces the Target Component feature. Drag in two buttons, one labeled Hide and the other Show. Select the Hide button and add a click interaction to hide the component instance. Add a click interaction to the Show button to display the instance. Then select the instance and add a click interaction with the Rotate action. You'll find that you can't directly target the component. You can only select widgets within it. Enter Edit mode, group elements in the component, and set the target to this group. Rotating it 45 degrees. Preview the prototype. Clicking the group instance rotates it by 45 degrees. Clicking the Hide button hides the instance, and the Show button displays it. Enter Component Edit mode and click Add Component View to show the component view pop up. In the view pop-up, you can add new views to the component. Click the Add icon to create a new view where you can select its name and choose which parent view to inherit from. Add another view, and you'll see 3 view tabs appear at the top of the canvas. Click these tabs to switch between views. If you check Affect All Views, any change made to one view will apply to the others. For example, if we delete the heart, it will disappear from the child view on the right and the parent view on the left. However, if we uncheck Affect All Views, the heart remains in the parent view but disappears from the child view. We adjust the dimensions of widgets within each view. Note that views are only effective in Place Anywhere mode. Change the drop behavior to Place Anywhere, then in the Interactions pane, you can set the component instance to the desired view.